Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change network to private or public on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change network to private or public on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and right click and then click on settings and then click on network and internet. After that, in the left sidebar, click on Wi-Fi and then on Wi-Fi click on your Wi-Fi and you see here network profile, it's public. If you want to change it to private, just click on private, and if you want to change it to public, just click on public. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change network to private or public on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.